Alright. You gotta say hi.
Huh?
Say hi.
Oh, the camera! Wait, is that what you got for Christmas?
Yep.
How? What, film this whole thing?
I'm gonna do clips, so, and then I'll go and edit it, and we'll keep the ones we like.
How about you go behind us? Camera. And baby. Will the camera be destroyed?
Come on.
Will the camera be destroyed? No, it's like a crash and you get up and all your legs are all bent and broken and you say, "Where's my camera? Oh, we gotta get you to the hospital. No, go and get my camera." Back on it. Oh no. Another place you get in, another place.
Alright, so you guys want to start over on the practice slope?
Very easy one.
Okay, we'll walk over there first. It's easier to walk than to put your skis on here.
Yeah. What do we do for our skis on here or walk over there?
Walk over there.
I know.
Good start.
Walk up higher, walk up here.
Alright, put them on, Bray. Hey guys, look at me. Look, Bray. Starting the season. First trip of the season, right? Okay, go that way. I'm freaking out, man. Alright. Tell Mom. Look here, tell Mom. No more bunny slopes. We're hitting the real stuff.
Is the camera on?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't see the red light.
That's on.
Oh, I see now. Hey, look. Hey, Mom, we're hitting the slope that I've been carrying. I gotta go to the bathroom. What do you say?
Alright, listen. You guys go down to the first lift on the left. See what I'm pointing at right there?
The first one?
The one on the very left. That'll bring us back up to here. And then we'll go back down that side. Unless you guys want to go a different way. I tell you what, just go all the way down to the one on the right. We'll do that. Go. So down to the lift on the right. That's where we're going. There we go. Right in there, guys. Hey, you guys look pretty good. Braden, Connor, over here, bud. Tell them. So you want a picture of the trees?
I want a picture of these trees and those big trees over there. And a palm tree, but...
Okay, well, we got a movie of them anyway.
Yeah, well, we're on a very high no slope. I mean, ski lift, and my boots feel like they're coming off.
You guys ready?
We don't put them on our hand, right? First, dismount.
Yep. Right. Toes up. Toes up. Then grab the chair. And then Wait, get down, get down, get down. What do you think? This one's wider, yeah. Probably like this one better. One way to go from here. All right. What about?
Huh?
What'd you say?
I fell. Can't remember where. I fell last year.
It wasn't on this trail, buddy. It was over on the other side.
No, I fell on this one too. I fell on this one too.
Oh, okay. Need a little speed down here so we can get across this flat spot. Oh, Braden lost a ski. I guess that's going to make it all the way to me before it stops. Now he's tangled up some other dude. Oh, somebody pawing into me. This is a dangerous slope.
No, it's fine.
Alright, we have to go over here. Alright, here, I'll meet you over here.
Hey, buddy. You see that girl wrecked into me and knocked me down?
No.
That girl right there? she wiped out and knocked me down while I was standing here minding my own business.
I'm trying to rescue some guy. Or actually, I fell on my skis. Oh, cold. Get a rock with you.
There goes Ray. Right, very nice, buddy.
Sometimes you gotta really dig.
Huh?
Sometimes you gotta really dig.
Yep, kind of.
Talk to Mom.
Okay, talk to me.
Hi, Mom. We just finished eating lunch and we're at the slopes again. Donner walked down the hill. Dad wiped out.
I didn't wipe out.
Someone wiped out. Someone wiped out and ran into the deck.
Yeah, somebody wrecked into me.
Oh. Hey. So we're gonna have to show Mom. We're gonna show Mom all this.
Yeah.
No.
Any more comments?
Now, hi Mom. I can't feel my lips. Look at the trees. And look how high we're on a super high. Look back. I mean, look back. Yeah, look straight ahead. Woo, look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at this lift. Oh, see the parking lot. Whoa. I can see the entire mountain range there. Whoa. I could just sit here all day if I wasn't moving. I didn't have to twist around. I could sit here all day if I wasn't freezing. Ow. Oh, I'm wearing a helmet. It's like, ow, I hit my head. Oh, I'm wearing a helmet. Did you turn the camera off again?
No, I want to see if you guys fall while getting off the lift. I want to get it.
Oh, man. Well, I did last time. That's encouraging. The skis fell off right there. Oh, yeah. But I haven't made a mistake since that. So you should have gotten caught skis falling off. Hey, it's clearing up. Oh, look. Been there a while. Oh! No, he hit my skis, dude! I just want to hit your skis. Oh! Right! Get it off! Alright. Don't mess up. Don't mess up. I love you guys! I love you guys!
Keep going. Keep going.
Keep going!
Straight. Oh, you don't go
Fell down right there.
Oh, yeah?